Hey there, welcome to Tech Helpline. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to see number of dislikes of a YouTube video. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. You've probably noticed that YouTube has removed the dislike counter on all videos. If you still want to see the number of dislikes on YouTube videos, this video got you covered. In this video, we will share the method on how to see YouTube dislikes on YouTube again. As for viewers, the removal of dislikes prevents us from identifying bad content quickly. Thankfully, a workaround has been created by way of a desktop browser extension. It only takes a few clicks to restore dislikes on YouTube videos. So, follow these steps to find out how to see dislikes on YouTube. So, to see number of dislikes of a YouTube video, you first need to go to your web browser and type Chrome Web Store in the search bar and hit enter. Click on Chrome Web Store. It will take you to the web store of Chrome. Now in the search bar type return YouTube dislike and hit enter. Click on the first extension. Click on Add to Brave or whatever web browser you are using. Click on Add Extension. Now the extension is added to your browser. Now if you play any video on YouTube, it will show you the dislikes too. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.